guys, I'm Brooke Christina. Welcome to today's vlog. So as you guys have noticed on my channel recently, I've been vlogging a lot more and I've been having so much fun with it, and I know that you guys have also been really enjoying these vlogs, so I'm gonna continue to do them. So I thought today we would do a little shop with me. I recently semi-discovered, I guess, a store that you can literally get things for $10 or less. Like the entire store is $10 or less. My friend here on YouTube named Kylie Alea told me about this place, so I thought it would be fun if I took you guys along with me today, see what goodies we can find. I'm gonna be going with my friend Melissa, who you guys have been seeing so much in my vlogs recently. She just loves being on video with me and loves hanging out with me. She's also the one behind all of my recent Instagram pictures. I know a lot of you guys have been commenting being like, oh my god, your Insta game is fire right now, like something changed. We're gonna go shopping. I'm actually gonna go pick her up after I'm done this little intro clip. But of course, before we leave, I'm gonna do a little OOTD in that mirror, and then we'll go grab Melissa and do some shopping. So today is a very rainy day. It's really gross weather outside, so my outfit is kind of drab, but I'm wearing this cropped little hoodie that I got from H&M. Super cute. I also have it in this pink color. They're super soft and really comfortable, and on top I'm just wearing my leather jacket, and I feel like the two layered together is super cute. Then I have on these leggings with pockets on the side, and they also have like a mesh panel, if you can see that. These I recently got from Old Navy because I've been looking for a pair that are high-waisted and have pockets. I usually wear these running, but I just thought they were like a cute little pop of color today, so that's what I'm wearing. And then as for shoes, I'm probably just gonna be wearing my black Nike Free Runs, I think they are. You guys might see them when we're walking around, I don't know. They're downstairs, I'm not gonna show you them. Also, this is new. You guys will see this in a haul later. It's from the store we're going to. $10. All right, let's go get Melissa and we will do some shopping on a budget, because that's the way we roll. I know in my vlogs I probably talk too much. I just want to include this little portion in the vlog because I do feel like it is important. Like I mentioned to you guys earlier, the weather is really gross and rainy outside, which obviously makes driving conditions kind of crappy. I was actually informed this morning that one of my best friends was in a single car accident, literally just because of the weather. Her car spun out. I'm not going to get into full details because, I mean, that's just something she probably doesn't want. It's just a reminder for you guys to like take it slow, think about yourself and the safety of the people around you, and just try to prevent things from happening, you know? That's my little spiel. I'm at Mel's house now, so I'm gonna grab her. These are so good. Mini brownies by Sara Lee. I don't know where she is. Did I text the right person? I hope so. Yeah. There she is. Hello! We made it! We made it! Yay! $10 or less, honey. Woo! So cute! Cute though. Look. $3. Oh my gosh, that's actually so cute. Walking. Aww. I love these. Yeah, those are cute. Wish I knew how to hang shit, then I'd hang all this shit myself, because then I'd have to ask Chris. I'm gonna make a pile. Pile of my stuff. Life brings you to unexpected places. Love brings you home. I'm like trying to read it and I just can't. Oh my god. I wish I didn't get your, I don't know if I got your face on that. Not those nose. When you find shit in the kids section, you have to try it on. That's so cute. Cozy bag. It's so cute. Ooh, she's tight. Well, it's a medium.
You have something else on though, don't you? You have your sweater on though, so it's gonna be a little
I can't
tighter.
take it off.
Yeah, you can.
My sweater?
Yeah.
With my bra on.
Yeah, I would.
Damn it, if this was a large, it would fit. It's a workout in itself. I can't get it off. Can you pull?
It's stuck.
Okay, thank you. Like, look how cute these are.
Oh, they are cute.
But they're kids.
Oh.
And they're too small.
That's why. They're kids.
I tried.
What does it say? Fancy as fuck.
Oh my god. And look, this one says Zen as F. I don't want to say it because this is a PG-13 channel.
Sorry.
What's this one? Perfectly imperfect. Nap queen, that's me.
That one actually smells good.
It smells like toys.
Yeah. And
All of these for $10. Like, look at these. Thigh high for $10.
I'm $10 too.
Oh, can I buy you? Yeah. No, you're priceless.
Yeah. There you go.
So cute. Dang, they got everything. Go.
Get that going.
Yeah. No.
Oh, cheers.
Careful. Break my shit before we even get home. Stop moving. We just finished shopping. We're gonna show you guys what we got now. All my breakables are in here. So I got these things 3 for $10. So the first is this mug.
Cheap, man.
It says, I don't work here. I don't know why I thought it was really funny. I took forever trying to pick it because all of them are printed like slightly off. I felt like I was irritating you so much. Pick one, they're all the same thing. Okay, then I got this, which is really pretty. I thought it'd be nice if I put like little beads in it for my makeup brushes. Last thing I got for the 3 for $10 is this picture frame. It's like marbled, kind of. Is it marbled? Like
yeah.
What's it like?
Granite?
Yeah, granite. There we go. I'll probably find some sort of picture. I'll put a picture of us in there.
Yeah. So I got little 2 diffusers. One smells like peach and one smells like pears. They're little cute little, you stick sticks into them.
It does.
Some shit like that. And then I got this little thing. Brooke already got this, so you guys will already see this. this is the freaking
memo board.
Yeah.
And the letters to stick in that are so bad. I was literally taking the back of my scissors and hammering them in.
This is the love wired. Isn't it cute?
It's got the little lights around it.
Yeah. I got perfume because I'm a basic
Get in there.
Just get in there.
It's okay.
Bleep.
Yeah.
Bleep. So cute.
I like that. Why are you shaking?
I don't know.
Are you hungry? I know you're hungry.
Yeah. On to the clothes.
So the first thing I got for clothes is this like burnt orange long sleeve. This was only $5, so
yeah, that's cheap.
I got it. Yeah. And then next I found these like high-rise sleep short. I got them in a size medium. They look kind of small and they might show my butt, but I'll have to see later. These were also $5. That's debatable. They don't have a tag. I think they were $5. Yeah, I think so. I got this, which I thought would be cute for Halloween. It's like a sweater dress, but then it's got that like corset thing. And I was thinking of just doing like the skull kind of makeup. I don't know. Maybe you guys will see. You might see on Instagram. That I think was $10, and I thought it'd be cute with my high over the knee boots.
Yeah,
boots. My boots.
My boots. We got the same one because we're twins.
$7, I think.
Yeah.
And it's so soft. It's a cropped little sweater, kind of like the one I'm wearing, but this one's from H&M and it's darker. And it's got little white ties, and it's just cropped and fleecy and beautiful. Your turn!
My turn! Well, I won't show that because it's the same one. Got 3 shirt, or this one's final sale apparently. Hopefully it fits.
Bodysuit.
Yeah, well hopefully it's a bodysuit with little sleeves. I've never had a bodysuit with sleeves on it, so we shall see how that works. And I don't have anything this color, so I don't.
Your hair would look so
You
nice.
think?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't own anything this color, but like it's cute.
So
little
cute.
green.
Got the cowl neck.
Yeah. This one was $10. This one was $5, and then the same as $7. And that's it.
Thanks for watching our haul. We're gonna go get food now.
Yeah, I'm starving.
And hopefully this time we can
vlog
actually,
it.
yeah. Because last time
we didn't.
I was like, oh, we should have vlogged our food. Okay.
Hopefully that's not the case. See you soon. Peace out.
Oh.
Did that work?
Not really.
We're twins. We got the same thing.
Yummy. I don't know if you guys can see that little fluffy tail is causing mischief. But anyways, I just got back from having lunch with Mel. It was so good. I know we already did a haul in my car, but to be honest, I've already been to this place once before and I did get a few things, so I thought I would just include those in this video rather than doing an entire different haul video, if you catch my drift. So I got one clothing piece the first time I went, which is this sweater, which is, oh my god, literally so good. It's like a plushy, super soft turtleneck. Mock neck? No, it's more turtley neck, but it's ribbed, it's super big. I have this in a size small, so it wasn't too oversized, but it's like the perfect amount of oversized. The rest of the stuff I have to share with you guys is home decor, so I'm gonna be like moving around my room to show you, so enjoy. So the first thing I got is this memo board. You guys would have seen that Mel got this in our car haul. This is the quote I put on it: stay close to people who feel like sunshine. Love this quote. It's so cute, but let me warn you that these are so hard to get in. I have it in like my Zen corner. If you guys watched my room transformation video, I mentioned that this is my Zen corner, and this is just like a little positivity. And over here on my makeup table, I got this tray. So it's like a rose gold mirror on the bottom, and I just have kind of all my everyday products on it, hair products, skin products. I just like the way it looks. I think it does a really great job at organizing all my stuff. And then this is the last thing I have to share with you guys. It's a wall macrame. It's so beautiful. I love the detail on it, and to think this was only $10 is so insane. I love the coloring of it. I think it goes really well with my wall color, even though I hate this wall color. Going over my blankets and my laundry bin, don't mind the folded clothes. I literally never put my clothes in my closet. I'm just exposing myself at this point. And yes, I changed my sweater. This one's much more cozier than my other one. But I think it's so cute. You can literally find these at Urban Outfitters for like $60, and I got that for $10. But that is everything I got from this huge $10 or less haul slash vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you want me to do more shop with me videos, give this one a thumbs up. I do have a couple others I've done in the past, so I can link those down below if you guys want. Yeah, that's pretty much it for me. I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys in my next video.